Hello everyone! This time I'm going to talk about goal setting some more. In the first part, I talked about how you choose your goals with smart goal setting. In this second part, I will give you a few hacks on how to achieve your goals. My first recommendation is to write your goals down. There is an immense power in writing things down or saying them out loud. They become more real when you don't just have them in your head, but you see them and you hear them. It is even better to write your goals somewhere where you will see them often. If we want something to change, we obviously need to do something differently. So make a plan for the changes that you're going to make, because a goal without a plan is simply nothing more than a wish. To continue with my example with my sleep goal, I can't just say that I'm going to sleep 8 to 9 hours every night and then it will magically happen. I wake up just after 7, so I need to go to sleep around 11 the latest. Now, I have planned to not drink coffee after 3 so I can fall asleep early. I start getting ready for bed no later than 10. I do my meditation when I get to bed to calm down, which makes it easier for me to fall asleep, and so on. All the things you need to do can feel very overwhelming all at once, and we don't want to fail, so we need to set ourselves up for success. And we do this by taking small steps that we are sure that we can handle and build good habits up slowly. Remember that we're not in a rush because we don't want to do this for the foreseeable future. For some people, it can work best to go all in and make all the changes at once, but for the most of us, small, manageable steps work the best in the long run. I could, for example, just start skipping the coffee after 3 to get tired earlier. When that becomes a habit, just like showering and brushing my teeth, I don't have to think about it anymore. And I am the person that doesn't drink coffee after 3. Then I take the next step. If you have problems motivating yourself, then accountability to others can really help to keep you on track. Tell someone that you trust and will not judge or criticize you in a negative way about your goal and your plan. That person can help keep you accountable to working towards your goal. Since it is easy to get defensive when called out, make sure you tell that person how you would like them to help you. My fiance keeps me accountable to getting ready for bed at 10, even when the last Sons of Anarchy episode ended on a cliffhanger. Now, last but definitely not least, don't be afraid to make mistakes. We all make them, it's human. If you deviate from the plan, don't just throw the whole thing out. Take a look at the situation and what you can learn from it so that it doesn't happen again. Then make the adjustments if needed and just carry on with your plan and keep on trying. Also, don't avoid setting yourself an ambitious goal because you're afraid you might fail. Everything that is needed to achieve it is the right plan. These are my tips on how to achieve your goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope that I can help you improve anything about your life.